The secret about acne that nobody talks about, meron palang acne cure, pero hindi siya 100% cure ha. Pero itong isotretinoin is the closest thing we have sa acne cure. According to dermatology research and guidelines, kaya nitong i-address ang three major factors na nagkukos ng acne. Excessive oil production, abnormal skin differentiation in our hair follicles, and inflammation. Research showed that up to 80 to 85% long-term remission after a full and proper course of isotretinoin. Meaning, maraming patients ang hindi na talaga bumabalik ang kanilang acne after nila mag-take ng isotretinoin. But this is not for everyone. Meron itong lab monitoring, mga side effects, and kailangan guided kayo by your board-certified dermatologist. So, pag paulit-ulit ang ating skincare and hindi nag improve ang ating acne, baka hindi kulang sa effort. Baka nangangailangan ito ng mas thorough na medical treatment. If you're wondering if isotretinoin is for you, comment below or send me a message. For more skin tips from a board-certified dermatologist, follow me in Basta Acne, DMD. Bye-bye!